We have an American Ninja Warrior who just went through labral repair surgery, and this is one of the best outcomes we've had so far. She's doing very well for 15 weeks post-op. A nod to how effective prehab can be. Prehab is just doing some physical therapy, strengthening, mobility, and overall stability of the joint that is going to go into surgery. You're kind of prepping the whole joint for the surgery and then really good outcomes on the back end. So she's doing very well, and we're gonna progress back to doing some gymnastics and some Ninja Warrior stuff.